Ready? And go. Good morning, guys. Today is Monday and it's super cold outside. Like, it snowed like super bad. Like, I'm sick of the snow. It was like just when I was back at school. I'm at home now, in case I didn't mention that. I'm at home for spring break. And it's not getting spring. We're on spring break and there's snow outside. Like, come on. Like, it's upsetting me and my homegirls. Today on the agenda is nothing really too crazy. It's just pampering because I'm kind of tired of looking like this. Yeah. And I want to pamper myself. So I'm looking for my tripod so I don't have to hold you. I just got done working out and eating some food. Nothing too crazy. We ain't been in this bathroom in so long, guys. Hopefully it's bright enough in here for you guys to see me. I did just open the blinds, the window anyway, but I'm about to get into the shower and then when I get out of the shower, we're just gonna do our morning routine, our face routine. I have this stuff here, some lashes and some nails, because college student on a budget, you know, I gotta save money. And yeah, and I also want to learn how to do my eyebrows, so I got this stuff. It's just a elf lash and brow wand. Then I got this Revlon, sorry. I got this Revlon pencil in the shade Black and Brown 202. And then I got another one that has the wand and the pencil. And this is in the shade Deep Brown. My eyebrows are like, you know how you go to the beauty supply store and you have to get like certain hair color? Like, I think I'm a 2B. But I think that's how eyebrows work too. I don't know. I've never done eyebrows before. So I just got 2 colors. I was asking my mom what color should I get. And she was like, don't get black, but like get something with black in it. But I couldn't find it at first because I was only seeing this pencil brand. And the deepest color, they didn't have black, they just had deep brown, so I picked up deep brown. But then I found this black brown pencil, which I think is pretty close. Black brown, I mean hey, we're gonna have to make something work. Yeah, we're gonna try to do our eyebrows and we're gonna see how that turned out. I just got some simple lashes, naked lashes is what they're called, which I'm cool with. I just need something to like enhance my face, if that makes sense. And then some nails. I'm really am getting into the whole press on fake nail thing. I want to get some off of Instagram because I follow like a few different accounts where they make the nails and their designs be mad cute. Like, some nails don't be like, I don't like the nails. I know you gotta like file it down yourself, but nah, I don't feel like doing that. So yeah, I've been getting into the whole nail thing, and I think it could be like a normal thing for me instead of going to get my nails done at the salon. Because don't get me wrong, I love getting my nails done. I probably get them done like every few times a year, but that stuff be, one, a little expensive. 2, it be pulling off my nails. So like if I can't go get my nails done or refilled or, you know, cut down or whatever, it be messing me up. So be messing up my nails, and then my nails be ugly for like the duration of it growing out, if that makes sense. Honestly. But I'm gonna get in the shower and then I'll talk to you guys when I get out of the shower. So I'm out the shower now. I done got dressed or whatever. My mom texted me and said that she asked me about Chipotle. So I think we're gonna go to Chipotle when she goes on her lunch break. But she's at work right now. So yeah, I want to show y'all. I went to Target the other day and and I added a few more things to my skincare, which one of the main things that I really wanted, I think if you guys watched my last video, I was talking about the hydration serum that was at Target, and I got it. I bought 2 of them. I was gonna buy the big version, but it was cheaper to get 2 smaller ones, so I got 2 of these. But this is the serum I was talking about. I love this serum. I also added this too. I just started using it yesterday. So it says you can use it 1 to 3 times daily. I used it twice yesterday, and it say drying may occur. So I'm kind of like trying to be precautious of how often I use it, because my skin is very sensitive, so I don't have time, honestly. As my moisturizer, I've been like contemplating back and forth from what I should use on my face as a moisturizer, but I just started using this last night, and obviously this brand is like a good, I be using the lip, you know, I'll be putting it on my lip and stuff with the lip therapy. So hopefully this is a great moisturizer to use for my face. I would say the routine, I only use it like once or twice because I just got all this stuff yesterday, but adding it too, I would say it's making a big difference already, because I have a bump here and a bump here that just randomly popped up, and it was like huge, man, like for real, and it was kind of upsetting me and my homegirls because it was like so big on my freaking face, and I don't usually get big old pimples and stuff on my face. So obviously I was feeling some type of way about it. But yeah, I'm gonna wash my face. I use this to wash my face. I'm gonna just show y'all my new updated skincare routine that I'm going to be consistent with. So first we're gonna wash our face with this. So I started washing my face with a towel, so I would just use hot water, and then I'm gonna just show y'all. Yeah. I started doing this because like I used to wash my face with just my hands, and I felt like that wasn't really doing anything. Like, am I really washing my face for real? No. On to my skincare routine. It says wash your face thoroughly, clean the skin thoroughly before applying this product. So that's what I just did, and then I'm gonna just, I go all over my face. This is like super strong. Like, it smells like chemicals for real. I definitely want clear skin by the summertime. I had clear skin. I usually have clear skin in the summer, but my skin was like super clear in August. I don't know what I was doing. Like, I do not be remembering what my skincare routine is and what. It's hard for me to pinpoint what's actually clearing my skin. So I have to make sure, like, whatever I'm doing, I do it for a long time so I can see, like, the changes, and then it'll determine if I continue using the product or not. But considering I just added that, we're gonna see if it makes a difference. But next, facial toner, Witch Hazel. This is the Witch Hazel I use. Then after I do this, the hydration serum, it's the directions say after washing and toning, apply a small amount. So just washed and toned my face. Letting that absorb, we're gonna use this as our moisturizer. This is my second time using it, so yeah. Last but not least, this is what I was talking about. I'm just gonna put this on my lips. I be losing this. Like, when I was at Target, I didn't know where this was, and I literally just found this, and I had bought 2 of those the ones that you, it's like shaped like this, but smaller. Yeah, those. And I bought 2 of those, and then I found this, so like, annoying. But I be losing my lip stuff all the time. I'll be having to buy so many because I'll be losing them and then they be popping right back up. So, but yeah, that's my updated skincare routine. I'll let y'all know in a few months if my skin clears up, because right now y'all can't really see, but my skin not that bad, but it could be better. Like, all the tiny bumps and stuff gotta go before the summertime. It got till May to fix itself, and I'm not playing. I never noticed this before, but I started noticing that under my eyes I get, like, not necessarily bags from my eyelids, but like it's a line. Like, if you can see, this part right here gets puffy. Like, this part that I'm covering gets puffy, not the eye bags actually. So hopefully this help line out that, or even out that. But I got this from Target. It says mini rose quartz facial massage beauty tool, if y'all want to get that. Moving on, I'm gonna put on my lashes. Should I do lashes or eyebrows first? I don't know, I'm like new here, so first we need to find some lash glue. Found the lash glue. This is lash glue that my mom has. Hope y'all can see that. It says strip lash adhesive with aloe vera. This right here, I'm stealing from her. This is what I mean. I need this to go under my eye right there. It's 6. I'm taking these from her. She don't use them. Why they're still sitting here. Anyway, I'm gonna start with my eyebrows because I know how to do lashes. So just in case my eyebrows don't turn out, yeah, I'm gonna do it without my glasses on, so I can't really see. We're gonna start with this. It's 12. My mom goes on her break at 1, so we're actually on very good timing. I'm already dressed.
Hey, look, bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get a holler.
Do it look bad? My eyebrows are so thick and dark and just, I want it to look natural. I kind of like it though. Just a little bit. We just need to clear out the ends. I'm at the front, and I think we'll be good. Yeah. Okay, now time for the lashes. I'm just about to throw them on real quick. I'm not gonna be talking to y'all for real, so. Oh, and I have to do my nails. Lashes, this is the lashes we're putting on. Okay, I'm currently laying down my hair. This is how I look. Lashes done. Eyebrows are okay, I guess. I don't know, I'm not really feeling the eyebrows, but I'm gonna just go with it for the day. I just did 2 bunions in the back. My mom said be ready, so she's about to be on her way. Yep, and we're about to go to Chipotle, so I'm actually hungry too. I feel like I've done everything right on time with it. Yeah. The bag has been secured. The money is secure. The bag has been secured.
We don't need to be going to go eat nothing because my kids don't know how to stay within their means. They want everything.
That was you.
I always get guac.
Okay, and I like their guac. So you was like, I can't get nothing extra. You got guac, so I'm gonna get some of your guac. Don't do that.
No, you said.
Then you said you was going to the store and you getting chips. You talking about can't nobody get nothing extra. You're getting extra chips and guac.
Because my thought was, I got guac, so we may as well get chips. But this is the thing. You said
we were gonna get chips
I'm
at the
getting
store.
Your guac.
I'm getting some of your guac, yeah.
No, you said I'm getting your guac.
I said I'm getting some of your guac. Why would you get guac and then I just take it? Like,
because that's what came out of your
sharing
mouth.
is caring.
You should have recorded that part so you could have reminded me.
Yo, we were supposed to go to the store to get chips, but no, we ended up leaving out with guac, a large bag of chips, and a regular bag of chips. Like, that was not the plan. She talking about don't get nothing extra. She getting guac and a large bag of chips.
I didn't ask for a large bag. That lady gave me a large bag.
My mom shared her guac, and this is what my bowl looking like. Good morning, guys. It is another day, a new day. Y'all probably like, why is she wearing the same shirt as yesterday? Listen, mind your business. Like, why are you in mine? Like, I went to sleep in this. Thank you. But I wouldn't say I just woke up, but I been like haven't really moved much. But I just made me some breakfast, just some eggs, and then I have this right here. I was gonna go to the gym this morning. My mom has like a YMCA thing, but I would have to walk and it's snowing outside. Well, it's snow outside and it's cold and I don't want to walk, so I'm gonna just wait until my mom gets off and go with her when she's at the Y. I'm not gonna work out with her. I'm just gonna be working out while she's working out. Yeah, but that's it. There's really nothing on the agenda. I was gonna go to school, my high school today, but I decided not to go. I woke up this morning like feeling very good. Like I feel something has been lifted, if that makes sense. I mean, I clearly know what it is, but not to like put my personal business out there. So I feel very like lifted and a breath of fresh air, man, let me tell you. So I'm just about to watch YouTube and yeah, There's only one. The sausage, egg, and cheese.
On the croissant?
Yeah. Guys, we're at a coffee shop. And I've never been upstairs, so I just wanted to. It's. That's fine. Give it to Jason if he get croissants.
Jason, you want a croissant?
Yeah.
I'll do a bagel. Oh, look at how messed up. I just woke up. Not really, but cheddar.
Cheddar. Did you say American?
I said cheddar.
I'm gonna go to the stand on that spot right here.
Guys, I got a bagel. And my little brother, where's on with that? Got a croissant. My mom got a bagel too. I wanted the croissant, but they only had one left. That sucks. Hi vlog. I'm in a much better mood. Well, I was in a good mood this morning too, but I'm in a super good mood right now. My mom let me get the car. Period. We love that. We love that. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to go pick up my little brother from school and then go pick up my friend Kyra, and then we're all going to go to the Lebesnick Center and then probably get some food after. So that's the plan. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I guess I'll talk to you guys when I have my little brother. That's it. Like, I don't know, nothing else to update y'all on. My mom just gave me some money, and you know, I think I was just saying yesterday how I need to save my money and stuff. So the mall is calling my name, but I'm not gonna go. Probably not, just so I can save my money. Yeah. But I can't make any promises. But I'm not gonna spend it all at one time because I do got that real bad. But yeah, I'll talk to y'all when I got all my peoples in the car. Okay guys, I've picked up my little brother from school and we're outside Kyra's crib waiting on her to come out. I low-key hate where her house is located on this highway, and it's kind of scary just a little bit.
Like when you back up. It's crazy.
Kyra hate when I take long to come out the house, but look at her. I'm on her tail.
Hello.
Hello.
Jason. Hi.
How's it going?
Great. Life is great. This purse low-key threw the outfit off a little bit, not like that.
Pop-up color?
Yeah. And you put no lotion.
I don't got no lotion.
I got lotion in my bag.
Oh, okay.
I stay ashy.
Dead. This purse is broken, so I put a pin on here.
Where'd you get it from? I thought you just got it.
This is my mom's bag. It's really, this side is actually supposed to be over here. But I found it and she don't wear it, so I said I'm taking it. And y'all put that back there. No one says that. Come on, really. Let's go, let's go. I can tell that you feeling type of way. Got my kids with me. Yeah.
Thank you.
Period. Pop of color. Talk to him. What?
They look like buffalo sauce.
Dang, this.
But dark.
Y'all cannot see me.
Oh, my brother put that again.
I'm in here for debutante.
For what?
For debutante for an event.
Today's
For a
Today's Wednesday, right?
yeah. Hi.
Our spring classes, and the theater class it starts this Saturday, actually, 11 to 12:30,
Okay.
ages 7 to 14.
Okay, he's 9, so
Perfect.
yeah. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, and so you're welcome. You can register here. You can register over the phone. We also have scholarship applications if you want to apply for that. And
Scholarship?
Sure, she loves some money, huh?
I can print out an application if you want.
Okay, I'm gonna have my mom register for him online since
Okay.
he said we were gonna be able to do that.
Yeah, that would
And
be
then
great.
if you want an application for.
Oh yeah, if you could print that.
I'll print that out while you guys are.
Kyra vlog takeover. I look good.
Can I have the vlog camera? No, let Kyra do it.
Please. You want me to vlog though?
Wait, what was that?
Here, right here.
No, not that.
Oh.
She had something else in her hand. Yeah. Wait.
This is what she had.
Oh, I was because you're.
I had it open.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
I'll provide this up the stairs.
Make sure you're showing them the art.
that's for people who can't walk, y'all. Oh, this is cute. Oh, is this Black History? Oh, this hard. Oh, this hard. This is hard. Look at this art. These hard, low key. Okay.
Hold this.
I'm taking
Can
pictures.
I trust you to hold the keys? I just probably film. Okay, that's
Okay, let me take our pictures.
No way, that's a picture of the city. It might not be. Look like Michigan City though. Get to go in the gallery shop.
Read this, y'all. Read, pause and read. Stop the screen and read what it say. Guys, you know how I am at the art museum when they have activities? So we about to, huh? My brother.
Guys, wait for me.
Jason, that is for people who cannot go up the stairs.
I cannot,
Sketchy.
you're not handicapped.
No, I am.
That is hilarious.
Anyway, while he's doing that, I'm about to write a note. You're supposed to put, oh.
I am YouTube in art.
I'm trying to show y'all.
I'm gonna do something wrong.
Okay, so. Am I supposed to put it right here? I don't know how to use a typewriter.
And then
Okay, I'm gonna say.
I don't like that it's at the bottom.
Okay,
But I don't think you can help it because like this is cute.
you can't help it. You're supposed to.
And you know, I figured out how I want to end my speech on graduation.
Okay, first of all, go back here. Oh.
This is cool. I love typewriters. I don't even have one. Try again.
How do you? Excuse me. I need help using this typewriter.
You can do Jason.
Okay, so this, let's see if I can remember how to do this. You put it in the back, and now it'll type on here, like.
Thank you.
And then if you wanna, I think that goes backward. I'm trying to remember how you return it, like that, I guess. That's how you would do another line.
Thank you.
I'm gonna do the typewriter real quick. I'll be right back. After my sister gets done. Yeah?
Really? Oh no, please, girl, we ain't got no money. Oh, did you figure it out? Just guy.
Yeah.
Here.
AP.
Wow.
H.
I got
What's
I spelled
this?
Backspace.
B. Oh.
Backspace.
How do you backspace?
Yeah.
You can't.
It's okay. You can't. You mess.
We know what you mean.
Yeah. He spelled what wrong?
You spelled wow.
Go ahead, Jay.
You're supposed to make like a little bouquet of flowers.
Okay, you do that.
Yes, I don't know how this is supposed to be cute though.
This is very peaceful and super cute. Pretty art. Earth and Spirit. The view. That was supposed to be an ice cream shop like years ago and they never did it. One thing for sure, two things for certain. I'm gonna go to an art gallery, bro. Her face was not just looking like that.
Expo Dream.
D.
We're still at the typewriter.
I'm not kidding her. I'm sorry.
That's what I saw back there.
Still sitting at the typewriter. Can we figure out how to use the red ink?
I'm a baddie purr. Mwah.
We found more art. It's more of a classroom though, where they have like painting class and workshops and stuff. It's a dead end down there. Do you know where you want to take pictures at? Probably back there. They got jewelry, guys. We'd love some jewelry. Talk to him.
Talk to him. Okay, here we have these cute little, you know, not better than kimono jewelry. We got these earrings, not better than kimono jewelry.
Yup.
Some kindergarten earrings, you know.
Yup. Yeah.
Got some Kuta Kente, you know.
Yep.
Got the pearls, whatever these is, crystals.
All right.
Cute for your grandma.
Cute.
Got these kind of cute, you know. This is something you'll wear to like. Yeah, we on the way to get some food now.
At the Little Small.
Oh yeah, we're gonna get South Bend Cafe, Chocolate Cafe.
Yeah.
I think, yeah. This is my first
Do we
time
have
being.
enough time? I don't think so. I don't think we have enough time.
They might be slow.
Yeah.
You might just be getting your food at 4.
Yeah, we might have to wait.
Start getting in my rounds. Yeah, Kimana got to get her mom. She got to be responsible and get her on time.
Right.
Right.
Because.
Yeah.
Yeah. She works right here.
Girl, you probably got time.
I don't know. We can go to the library or something.
You got time to get food if she work right here.
You got time to go to the library?
It's not even 30 yet. You got 30 minutes. And it's right there. So we about to go to the Lighthouse Mall.
We're going to see how many people. We're going to see how many people in here.
True.
We're going to see what the business looking like.
This is just a preview of the summer. Let's just, because I'm not driving. If she's able to drive, she's driving. And I'm excited for that. Dang, you be running how I be running the car when the boys in the car. Silent. Should I sing for us?
Yeah, go ahead.
I need you. I see you.
Okay, that's enough.
What y'all know about this? Y'all should know. I'll subscribe to my YouTube channel, Simply Kai. I don't post, but I'm gonna start when I go to college. When I go to my HBCU. I'm gonna have stuff to post about. I got confidence in myself. Yo, wind is windy. Wind is windy. We're at the luxurious Lighthouse Mall. It smells in here. It's nice in here. Let's order real quick. Hey, this looks gross. Hey, I'm on this one. This looks gross, look. It looks like soup.
I got a chicken fajita.
That's just how
Her got
chili.
I don't know why.
Because I didn't want the sandwich.
And then Jason got a cheeseburger.
Yeah. And
Sit down.
Dorito.
Oh yeah, he stole the Dorito bag.
Yeah. Tell him how you like cheese in car. It's in the car.
Yeah, I left the keys in the car.
You
I
trying to
didn't
go
realize
chasing under
it.
the bus.
I didn't realize it until it was time to go. Mukbang. Mukbang. Mukbang.
Is that chicken good?
You want a piece?
Yes, I do.
Me too.
Everybody just want to share each other food, huh?
That means I gotta share mine.
We don't want any of yours.
Oh.
You can have this. Wait, actually, no.
I don't like that sauce.
Hmm.
The honey mustard or whatever it is.
And then
It's spicy.
let's taste.
No, it's not spicy.
The spicy honey mustard. That shit is fine.
Okay.
Actually, I think it's spicy mustard and honey mustard.
How is there any thing
Did you like it, Jason?
in Bussum?
We just all just saying busting, huh? If you gonna get him something, don't give him no pickle.
You need to give
You
me
hating on the pickle?
I personally don't like pickles. I know this is gonna tear my stomach up. I can just taste the stomach tearing.
We need some chips.
I
How
need
can
some
you
crackers.
taste the taste?
Oh, crackers.
He gave me 2. He gave me 4 crackers. I don't even want to talk to him right now.
Who?
The man at the thing.
Here you go, mama.
I don't believe you because I literally just turned around.
Now I want another piece. This is so good.
That's too bad. Eat your burger.
Let me get a chip.
Why aren't you eating your burger? Why is you eating everybody else's food?
My cheeseburger is in here.
You're supposed to open it and show him.
It is that small.
Perfect size for you.
Why theirs gotta be big? I don't know why, man.
That's a big cheeseburger though.
Bite it and see if it's good.
That's busting. How we gonna be busting? I taste each cheeseburger. Cheeseburgers taste the same. From a mixed cheeseburger to a cheeseburger. It smells like the first bite. It's good.
Rate it.
I would rate this a 7 out of 10. It's probably because the bread smell like pretzels.
It's a pretzel bread.
10 out of 10.
You know what this tastes like?
What?
You know how they used to give us chili in school?
Mm-hmm.
That's what it tastes like. School chili.
She's not liking it.
No, I used to eat the school chili though.
I'm sorry, that's good. I don't know what you
It tastes like school chili, but I'm not saying the school chili was nasty, but that's a comparison.
Where your napkins at? You had to eat it, huh? You couldn't resist it.
What you mean?
You couldn't resist the South Bend.
Oh yeah, when you say South Bend, I was like, oh yeah.
Why is you recording?
I'm vlogging. I got a chicken fajita.
So
Okay, vlog. We done added a member to the Kimana's drive with me, I guess. My mom said I get the car. I don't know how to act. Don't. Period. What you thought this was? She was like, I get you the car and you just think you finna be everywhere.
Yeah.
And do. Where y'all going? Everywhere.
Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
What you be saying, Cara? On an adventure?
If you don't want to tell your parents where you going yet, on an adventure.
On an adventure.
I sure don't be knowing where I be ready to go.
But we finna drop my mom off at the YMCA.
We do got hella different hair colors going on right now.
And then
Red, she yellow, you orange.
I'm blonde, don't even do that.
First 3 colors of the
And then she said you was orange. Like what?
This is cognac, babe. No, I'm talking about
Chestnut.
right. I'm talking about like we look like the first 3 colors of the rainbow. Oh, I thought you were gonna say Powerpuff Girls.
Anyway, y'all, we finna drop my mom off at the YMCA, go to the gas station, then go to the car wash. So that's the plan. The car is definitely near the E. I'm not.
You know, do we feel like, oh, you don't drive?
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different.
No, this is the good part.
You must be